Shawty get it, that's up, but she fed up. Switching from a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take one shots. It's already written, baby, you're no trail. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it feels. Surrender your wills and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime.
Good morning, Shan. I'm on in here and people out of the bright. Mean bright, I mean bright. Bright. Anyways, so we're up. I'm trying to make coffee.
You're up.
Well, I'm up. I'm trying to make coffee, so let's see how that goes. Okay. What's been a fire? So yeah, so far it seems to be working. Yeah.
Smell charm people.
Charm bad. I love the smell. But oh my god. Coffee ready, people. Not bad. Alright guys, so we are ready. We're ready for breakfast. So we're twinning. Yeah, maybe twinning. Yeah.
Hi people.
Immediately makes them a different category of people from every other category of people. I think we have to begin to re-examine, and I'll come back to it because I want to labor on that a little bit. And thirdly, maturity is congregational intelligence. So, as Paul talks about unity and maturity in the body.
Alright guys,
So guys, we're at the boring hotel.
and it's not really boring guys, it's just that
me have feelings.
they were supposed to them locked down and you expect them would have come back strong.
Them come
I
back
don't know.
weaker
Them not one
But
well.
anyway, this is the demure channel.
So
People not seeing me.
good morning.
Not today.
Thank you.
But you know, I'm looking demure as usual. Yeah. Hi. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Sebastian. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe to Shakay's channel. Yeah.
So guys, we were actually gonna head to the pool, but they're out of towels, so we're still gonna head to the pool. We'll look for the kids them. Send for the kids. So I just look crepes. I don't know what you call crepes again, but that's some. It kind of look like.
You don't want to touch the beach? You don't like the water?
I think you see a wait until miss.
No. I mean, for me.
But we are going to the pool first, you know. We are going to the pool first. Cause we're not assault everybody yet, you know. Anyways. So the island is over that side, over there.
So I can always cross.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can cross either today or tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna find these kids and then we circle back. Hold on, okay? Alright guys, so we are chilling. We just got out of the water, out of the pool. Even the kids are because she's cold. So I know my sister me and talk, you know guys, we're babysitting for the day. So we're babysitting for the day. So yeah. We're just chilling right now for a bit. Just chilling out. Oh my gosh. So yes, so just a chill right now. And then in a few we might go get something to eat. We want ice cream, that's the thing. The kids want ice cream, so I want ice cream too. Yeah. Some ice cream and also got some nachos. Love this ice cream.
Remember times you were my only friend. Now it's me and you, there is no end. And I'm forever yours.
Good morning, guys. Bye. Nobody cares. Anyways, guys, so it is. Me go forget to Friday. Today not Friday. Today is Saturday. Yeah, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. So we got up this morning and went to breakfast. Forgot to show you guys breakfast this morning. Sorry. But yeah, made my coffee again this morning and then we had breakfast. Right now, well, it was raining a bit a while ago. I think it stopped now. So we're kind of going to get ready to go to the pool. I already have on my swimsuits and everything. I just need to take off this and then my shorts and put on my beach shorts. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. We're going to pool, beach, and then later we don't have like an event to go to this evening. Like we would have an event Thursday and we had one yesterday. We don't have an event to go to today per se. Well, I don't have an event to go to today. So yeah, so we're just gonna try and enjoy this Saturday. I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'm gonna like on my dad, so yeah, so I'm gonna bring y'all with me and let us enjoy. So yeah, I'm gonna try kind of fix up the room a little bit because I'm not like untidiness, but yeah. Alright guys, we're leaving now for the pool. Yeah, we'll see if we can go over the adult pool and then later on go get the kids and go to the regular pool because we want to experience the adult pool. So we can't carry the kids away, so we'll try to see if we can go before we find them. Yeah, or before them come find me. So yes, Fit is ready, Shanik is ready, we're out. It's raining, guys. It's raining cats and dogs. So it's raining. I'm gonna tell the vlog that it's raining as we decide to come out. It's not only raining, it's very windy. Oh my god, guys, this is a storm. Sean, we need to get back to the room. We need to come over. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god. Why did we come out again? Alright, so back into the room because the rain, guys, the rain. The rain is raining. That's all.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
Good morning, guys. So it is, I'm an Erica cup, I don't know. It is Sunday and we're getting ready. Well, we actually just obeyed and then we're gonna have breakfast and then come back and then put on our clothes and stuff. We're aiming to actually leave here 9-ish, my father said, 9-ish. So yeah, we're getting ready, we're bathing and then we're going to eat breakfast and come back and ready. So yeah, it's currently about 7:30 or so now, or 7 after 7, so not on bad timing, you know. Yeah.
Comes to us from Isaiah 12, reading from verse 2 to verse 6. Surely God is my salvation. I will trust and not be afraid. The Lord himself is my strength and my defense. He has become my salvation. With joy you will draw water from the wells of salvation. In that day you will say, give praise to the Lord, proclaim his name, make known among the nations what he has done, and proclaim that his name is exalted. Sing to the Lord, for he has done glorious things. Let this be known to all the earth. Shout aloud and sing for joy, people of Zion, for great is the Holy One of Israel among you. This is the word of the Lord.